looks like the Louisville Police Department ain't playing around. They are not playing around. They have new technology. They're going to be able to find you when you're up to your shenanigans, up to no good. They're going to seize your car and you can get penalties up to $2,000, which I feel like it's a little light, but they can take your car up to 6 months. I'm all for it because these things are just getting way out of control. So yeah, man, Louisville, they ain't playing. I don't know how they're able to find it, but then again, you gotta figure there's so many people at the events shooting all these videos and stuff like that. Look at that, he just ran that person off. But they found it. They found the car and they impounded it, and it's sitting in their lot after at our tow lot. Yep, there you go, Louisville, Kentucky. Oof. All right, Sarge, go ahead and give him the warning.
I'm Sergeant Ronald Fay with the Louisville Metro Police Department Traffic Unit. Saturday night, several people came out to watch as vehicles were driving reckless and creating a very dangerous show on our roadways. Several dozen calls for service came in as residents were inconvenienced and fearful for their safety. Many pedestrians were out at these locations, and even a couple were hit during these reckless encounters. A Dodge Charger was driving at 100 miles an hour on Lexington Road in a 35 zone when the driver lost control, injured several people, and even killed one of his passengers. The community has spoken and laws have been passed. 35 vehicles so far.
So there we go. There you guys have it. So if you live in Louisville and you're participating in these shenanigans, you can get your car seized up to 6 months. So you're gonna have to take the buses from now on, and they got new technology. So we don't know what that is, but they don't need a lot of technology. Literally, all the police departments have to do is just go on their cell phone. Yeah, that's it. Simple. Go on their cell phone, go to social media, and follow these people. And that's it. Just hire somebody that does that, where they have like one of those. I'm sure they have like all these technologies, like softwares that can obviously read license plate, and I'm not talking about the ones that are in police cars where they have those where they can read license plates and stuff like that. I'm talking about like software based where they can, take a video, enhance, see your license plate, run up your records, run it up, find you, take your car, seize it, and throw a fine on your dumbass for being stupid. So I'm sure they have that kind of technology, because I'm curious about the new technology that they're talking about here. Like, what does that entail? Is it something similar to what I'm talking about? Are they adding additional manpower or some sort of a skeleton crew? Or I don't know. Honestly, I don't know. This is what happens when people just... There's a time and place to do these kind of things. You can do it at the track, closed course, or whatever. Why do you need to do it in the middle of the street? And then you have people go around, and then you have people standing outside the car while you're doing that. Insane. No brain cell. This is why guys have a little bit less. We do a lot of dumb shit. I'm not gonna lie. Men, as a general term, men or boys, we tend to do a lot of dumb shit. And get ourselves killed a lot more, but I'm not one of those idiots. But anyway, back to the sergeant.
Have been seized using a new ordinance as we continue to investigate utilizing new technology to enhance our ability to track down vehicles days or even weeks later. The owner will be fined up to $2,000 and the vehicle will be seized for up to 6 months. Here you can see a few vehicles that we have seized, and some we are tracking down and will be seized due to their involvement in the recent dangerous and reckless operation. Louisville is not a place for this. If you come here and act out and endanger our community, you will be arrested, and once released from jail, you're going to need a ride home. We are making room at our impound lot to store as many vehicles as it takes to keep our roadways safe. We will not tolerate this in Louisville, and we will continue to be out investigating and tracking down anyone who chooses to come here or who lives here and participates in this reckless operation. If you know where we can find any of these vehicles or know anyone who participates in this reckless operation, you can call us at 574-LMPD, and remember, you can remain anonymous. The community
Remember,
has
guys,
spoken, and in Louisville, we are working
it's
together to keep our roadways and our...
Sergeant. It's not just a Louisville problem. It's a United States problem. It doesn't matter what states that you're in. I'm in California, and we have the same shit over here too. So it's not a specific state. It's a United State problem. But then again, there's so many other crimes going on too. But still, I'm totally against this whole site shows and all this bullshit, all this nonsense. I mean, it's even if I seen like ones that are kind of like in a closed off area, but it's still dangerous too, because some people still get hit, or the cars break down, or something falls off the car and hits a pedestrian, or whatever, hits a person. It's so easy to lose your life like this. I don't know why people are literally playing with their lives. I mean, what the fuck are you doing, man? Go find something else. Go find a hobby. Start playing video games like me, so you stay safe in your own house. See, I'm well, I'm gonna die for other reasons. Probably consuming too much sugars, but but at least I won't get ran over while I'm watching any of these events. But anyway, you guys let me know in the comments below. As always, make sure to like, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.